Alright, so this is my Ruger AR556. I have a 22 conversion in it right now. And I know the sights are off from shooting it before. If you check out the other videos, it shoots low. But our targets are at, what, 20 yards?
25.
25 yards. And we're going to do baseline, shoot first. Probably do, 5 rounds or so. And see where it's at, and we'll adjust the sights from there. We'll show you how to adjust them, and what we did, and then the results. Alright, we're going to do the baseline. Let's see how it does. Shooting 22 long rifle. I should put it on fire, huh?
Yeah.
That one got jammed.
I don't know if I'd shoot that one.
No. Okay, I got 2.
Okay, try and get a nice accurate shot.
Okay, there's 5. We'll go with that. This is the first time shooting the conversion too. Alright. Well, I thought I shot 5, but they're all in this group here.
So it's shooting low and right.
Yep, so we're gonna have to do windage too. Yes, I understand the targets are upside down, but I was originally gonna put them on the bottom, but went with the top instead. Just so you don't think we're complete idiots. Okay, so we're gonna show you how to sight that in a little bit better. Alright, gonna use this Real Avid AR-15 tool. It's got the front sight adjuster on it. So we are gonna adjust it.
You got all the rounds out and everything?
I can. Yeah, it's clear. Yeah, I'm not going to point it at anyone either, but now we know we're safe. So I'm going to adjust it clockwise, which goes down, which brings your point of impact up. Okay, I'm gonna try that. I know I didn't go like 2 turns. Probably went like 1. Or should I go more? I'll go a little bit more yet.
Go 1.5 then.
Gotta get it to click into the spot. Right there. It's a little thing that pushes down, and then you can turn it. And this thing looks like a castle. Top of a castle. Now, should we adjust this one?
You probably could, because everything was right. Yeah, and the wind's coming from right to left, so you...
I think that one's... Okay, we're gonna do the windage as well. So that's gonna be counterclockwise because we're shooting right. I'm gonna try that. Alright, we adjusted the sights. Adjusted the front one down a little bit, and then this one over, which is the windage. So let's see what we get. We're gonna do a few more at the same target. It should be out of that group now. try that. I'll take them all out. Clear, safety, we're good. And aimed away. So here's our new ones. We're getting closer. I should probably have a tape measure. Could probably do a little more math and get it closer, but
yeah, you can actually do the math if you measure how far you're off and then figure out how many MOA at and the certain yardage you're at.
so I'm gonna do a little bit more. I'm gonna do a little bit more on the windage again. Probably one click, and I'm gonna do more on the height. And I think we'll get there. All right, we're empty. So we're gonna go another click here, counterclockwise. And then we gotta go up with it again. So we're gonna go clockwise here. I'm gonna try that. I don't know if it was a full turn, but it's all right. All right. Gonna do about 5 more or so.
I'd probably go now to the right target.
Okay, going to the right target. All right, here we go. Right target. All right, I don't know. I think that was around 5, huh?
Yeah, you only need about 3 to figure out where your group is.
All right, we got our group here, so we're still not adjusted enough. So we'll go a little bit more. All right, I'm gonna adjust again. One click here. I'm gonna go 2 clicks, and then some more here. All right, we'll try that. Now I switched to higher velocity.
Yeah, we went to Federal Auto Match.
See if it cycles better. Before that, I was running
CCI standard velocity target. Difference is 1,070 feet per second versus 1,200 at the muzzle.
All right, we adjust it again. Right target. All right, we're here. I think we got the up and down better. We just got to get that windage right. Nothing's saying that I'm shooting it perfect either, you know, but I'm trying to aim right for that.
Yeah, you aim for the red, the center of the red. You don't try to correct or anything. Okay.
All right, did not adjust the front one because it doesn't really need it. Adjusted the windage here, counterclockwise. Let's see what she'll do. We got 2 fresh targets. I'm gonna shoot the one on the left. And That should be 5. Well, the windage seems pretty close. This could be, you know, me moving a little bit. I mean, I am far from a perfect shooter. I'm far from an amateur. So
I would say bring it up, because I wouldn't do nothing with that one. That's probably a little twitch or something. But right here's your group. You'd probably want that up yet.
yeah, I'll do the front side a little bit and then go from there. All right, did the front sight. Try again. Should I go left target or right?
I'd stay on the left.
You know, there is leeway too in this sight. You know, there's, when you look through the hole, I mean, you try to get in the center, but all right, we're getting bullseyes now, so I think I'm gonna stay with that for adjustment. So now I'm gonna switch it over to the 5.56 round and shoot the right target and see how close that is.
You could also just try it with the 22 yet and see if you're gonna get a consistent on target in the center.
Yeah. All right. No adjustments made. I'm gonna put the whole clip magazine at the right target. I'm gonna keep going until it's out. It's a fresh target. I think there's only one left. Yep. All right. Okay, a shot at the right target. And I will go with that as far as adjustment. I mean, I'm not perfect. I mean, it's gonna move a little bit. And got quite a few bullseyes here. I think it's good. All right, going back to the 5.56 round. We're gonna shoot a fresh target. Left target. That's got more power. Should be out, yep. All right, 5.56 was fairly close too. I mean, that's probably a little bit of me moving a little bit. I got 3 bullseyes out of 5, so it's shot pretty close to the 22. As far as being sighted in, I think. I mean, obviously at a longer distance it would make a difference, but at only 25 yards you're pretty close. So for this CMMG 22 conversion for the AR-15, I actually put mine in a piece of PVC. I got it at the hardware store. Put this on. Just throw her in there. I was trying to think of what would work on the ends, but I just got a regular end piece and it holds pretty tight. I don't really think there's a need to glue one on. Then you can just keep it in your range bag and it ain't gonna get damaged. All right, so 5.56 round again. The target's now at 50 yards. I'm gonna shoot the left target. 5 shots, because they're expensive bullets. So I'm only gonna do 5, but we'll know if it's close. Here we go. Here's the 5. It's empty. Safe. It's a new target, right?
Yeah, you shot the left one before.
Okay, well, I don't know. I'll take that. That was the one I shot at 25, right?
Yeah, 25 and now 50. But you can see, I mean, that gun's...
That's pretty good. For being iron sights at 50, that's not bad.
I should have moved it out to 100.
No. I'll take that.
I bet you still would have been on the target at 100.
Probably.